for today's video. Let's bathe the chickens. It's finally bath day. It's super important to keep them clean, so they stay healthy and free from any pests or mites. I'm making sure to not get under the wings and clean every feather. Hygiene is key for a happy flock. It's important to check their skin and feathers while washing. It's like a mini health checkup every bath time.